Hello everybody. I think I'll do some video updates on the process of the build on the machine. So today's the first day I've been able to kind of work on it since it all showed up. But yeah, got one of the crates pretty much unpacked. Top piece was these two parts here. These are the chip trays. Two halves of it, and then the next crate was this one here, and this has all the enclosure pieces. So it looks like the rooftop in there, all the rails for the doors, two lights, and then like front panels, and assuming all the acrylic and everything for the windows are in there too. The packaging on this has been done really well, so pretty impressed with that. But just needed a hammer and screwdriver and stuff to kind of pry everything apart. And then I have the pieces right here from that. So yeah, just working on the base right now. So the coolant and chip drawer is here. It's bolted in right now, so it can't move anywhere. So I'm gonna unbolt that and then pull that out. It has casters on it, so we'll put those on. And then tomorrow a friend's coming over and he's gonna help me move this thing into place. So it's gonna be going right there. So I have my airline already set up. Then the oiler and stuff just came also for the machine, or air oil. But yeah, it's basically gonna take up the footprint from these two blue marks out. So it's gonna be about that large. And then I'm going to move the old CNC machine down towards the garage door just a little bit more. That'll buy me a little more room, and I'll probably scoot it that way just a touch. So the idea is, once it's in place, when I'm not using it, this tool chest here, which is on wheels, has a nice little workbench and stuff. I'll be able to slide that in right here. So it's about, the tool chest is about as long as the machine is going to stick out from the wall. So I think it'll fit nicely right there and kind of tuck away, and then when I need it, just pull it out. I'll have access to all my tools, and all the end mills and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, so that's get this part. And then this crate, that's the actual CNC mill part. I don't have the exact weight on it, but it basically weighs about 1,500 pounds from what I've been told. So I have a borrowing engine hoist from my neighbor to get that on top of this tomorrow. That's the goal. And then behind it, these are just like all the extra random stuff. I kind of started undoing all of these and opening these boxes last night. Like I said, it's all very well packaged. I'm really impressed with that side of it. So this big box here is the operator console. So it has like the actual screen and stuff. This box, I don't remember what's in this one. What's in this one? Doesn't say. Sorry, this automatic tool changer. 12-place automatic tool changer. And then all these boxes are just other random bits and pieces. So this is the vise that'll go in the machine. Automatic oiler for all the ball screws and all the moving parts. So pretty cool, actually. You just set this on an interval that is recommended by Tormach, and it'll automatically feed oil into all the spots that it needs to. It's a gallon of the whey oil for the machine. This is all the hold down clamps and stuff to be able to hold like the vise and any other random work pieces. Didn't know exactly what I was going to need, so I just bought the whole kit. Flood coolant kit for cooling off the tool and parts and help with chip evacuation. One thing I did do is the stock Tormach comes with a 1/8 horsepower coolant pump, and a lot of people were saying that that's actually fairly undersized. So I did find a company that has a drop-in replacement 1/4 horsepower coolant pump, so I did order that. It actually got here a couple days ago. So as we're building the machine, I'm going to swap out the pumps, which will be pretty cool. This here is the tool setter. Pretty sweet, actually. So this will automatically set all of the tool lengths for all of my tools and then saves it into the program. It's all coolant waterproof and everything, so I can leave it in the machine, which is sweet. And then as I change out tools or put a new tool in a new holder, I can just tell it to go touch off on this and it'll be able to store that information. So I don't have to reset tool heights every single time, which I cannot wait for. Let's see, what else do we have? I forgot what's in this box. Oh, these are all my the actual tool holders. So I think it's like 12 BT20 or BT30 size holders. That's going to be pretty cool. So I have these 12, and I did buy 3 more, if I remember correctly, 4 more. So I'll have a total of 16 holders, which will be sweet. And then we have, what's in this one? Lifting bar. So it comes with an actual kit to attach the engine hoist to the CNC piece to keep it balanced correctly. And then passive probe, so I can have probing options and can do all that on the machine, which is going to be really sweet. I have a kit coming right now to make this wireless, so I can just store it in the tool holder or the tool changer and then call it up whenever I need. So as it's running parts, I can actually have the program go in, probe the part, like after it finishes one operation, and it'll confirm that it is the correct size. If it isn't, I believe it'll stop the program and say what's wrong with it or something. I need to do a little more digging on that. It's another guy out of the UK that wrote the programs to make that all work. So pretty sweet setup though. Excited for that. This is a work holding end stop for repeatability stuff. These are a whole bunch of just kind of starter end mills and whatnot. Figured I'd start with some cheap stuff as I'm learning the machine, so if I break things, I don't really break stuff. And then this is a parallel kit. It's a whole bunch of different sizes, comes in a nice little wood box. Oh, sorry, no, this is the Mighty Bite work holding kit. So that'll actually fit inside the vise, and then you can clamp parts to the top of it. So yeah, somewhere around here is actually the, I probably put it up on the table. Oh yeah, so that white or wood box right top here, that's actually the parallel kit. And then there's one more down here. What's in this one? Oh, oil skimmer. So this will go in the coolant tank, and then it's supposed to run, you put it on a timer and have it run like overnight after the machine's been sitting for a little bit, and it pulls all the whey oil from the oiling kit, pulls it out of the coolant, and just keeps them separated and keeps your coolant lasting longer. So yeah, that's kind of a quick overview of everything. I'll do a couple more little videos as I keep going, but if you have questions, throw them in the comments, and hopefully we'll have something cool to look at tomorrow. Have a good night.